found the tunnel to Canada. Got my coffee. 5 minutes to go here. Next stop, Chicago. A miscalculation here. I decided to ignore the battery warnings for too long here. I was going 5 to 10 miles over the speed limit, trying to shut off a little bit of time. I didn't think it was going to be a problem because I'm usually driving about an hour or so on routes when I'm told to watch my speed, and it's never been a problem. I get there and I back off the last little bit and I'm able to get where I'm trying to get, but this was not a situation to ignore the warning for many miles. So here I am charging this charger, the Rosemont, Illinois charger. Here, I'm almost there. It's really not an inconvenience to get to. It's just, had I been going a little bit slower, I would have had no problem avoiding this stop, but I'd rather stop now than drive 50 to 55 miles per hour to the next stop. It's just not safe in Chicago. It's not safe in Chicago to drive that slow. So gonna charge up a little bit here, and which will get me to the next stop. Finally found the chargers. They don't look like superchargers, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Oof. Well, for sure will not want to charge here very long, just enough to get to the other one. I don't want to get too out of a state of charge either that I won't even charge fast at the other one. Just got into Country Club Hills, Illinois. Looking for the supercharger right now. I'll just follow this gray Model 3 here. Panda Express. Marcus Cinema. Appreciate other drivers letting you know when there's shit going on with chargers. There we go. That should be, oh, this is way better. This is twice as fast as the last one there. That was just like an urban charger, I think. The mall charger in Chicago. Just about passing into Indiana. Crossroads of America. Model X. Time to move on. Let's not smash. Let's not smash today. Let's go. Found the tunnel to Canada. It's confusing. I thought I was entering like a hotel at first. Did a U-turn, came back, and then was a little more careful and saw that I was paying for a tunnel fare. Coming up to Coomber, the first supercharger when you enter Canada from Detroit. It's right up here. I learned that the car does not automatically switch to kilometers. You have to manually switch it, but where are they? Back there, I see them. Wouldn't have a problem with not changing it, but it's just weird when the speed limit advocates that you drive 31 miles per hour. It's weird. Be the nightly charge, and then I'll head over to Toronto tomorrow. It's about what I've been seeing everywhere. About 130 kilowatt hours at the beginning, and then as it tapers. So way more impressive when you see it in kilometers. Sounds awesome. 850 kilometers an hour.